The Toyota Century is not just a car, it is a declaration of understated luxury, craftsmanship, and heritage. When most people think of Toyota, they imagine reliability, practicality, and everyday affordability. But hidden behind the curtain of mainstream sedans and SUVs is a machine so exclusive, so meticulously built, that it rivals the likes of Rolls Royce and Bentley. This machine is the Toyota Century, a $200,000 luxury beast born and built exclusively in Japan, reserved for royalty, prime ministers, and Japan's wealthiest elite. It is Toyota's quiet flex, a car that doesn't shout but whispers excellence in every handcrafted detail. At first glance, the Century might not catch the attention of someone expecting flashy chrome, aggressive designs, or bold badging. But look closer, and you'll discover the profound beauty in its simplicity. The design philosophy behind the Century is deeply rooted in Japanese tradition, elegance without arrogance. Its long body, with clean lines and a high roofline, evokes a sense of authority. Every inch is engineered to express dignity. The phoenix emblem on the grille isn't just a logo, it symbolizes rebirth and excellence, reflecting the values of timeless craftsmanship. Unlike the modern luxury vehicles overloaded with digital screens and synthetic intelligence, the Toyota Century stays loyal to old-school handcraftsmanship while subtly integrating the latest tech in a discreet, respectful manner. Under the hood lies a powerful 5.0-liter V8 hybrid engine that delivers a smooth and silent drive, tailored for comfort and prestige rather than aggressive performance. This hybrid powertrain ensures that passengers glide over the road as if floating, a signature requirement for chauffeured VIPs who demand silence and serenity on the move. But it's the interior of the Century that truly separates it from any luxury car on the road today. Open the doors and you step into a cabin designed more like a private jet lounge than a car. Forget leather. The rear seats are wrapped in the finest wool, a nod to traditional Japanese luxury, providing a softness that even premium leather can't match. Every button, every stitch, and every control is handcrafted with precision. The rear seats recline, offer full massage functions, and include footrests, personal climate zones, and even a privacy screen for total seclusion. There is no flashy branding or over-the-top logos, because those who ride in the Century don't need to prove anything to anyone. The Century isn't mass-produced. Each vehicle is hand-assembled by Takumi, master artisans whose life's work is perfection. Only a few hundred units are built each year, and they're not even exported outside Japan unless specifically ordered through elite private channels. Toyota doesn't advertise it. There's no TV commercial or social media campaign. The Century doesn't need to be sold. It's chosen. This car represents a cultural expression of luxury that is completely different from the West. Where other brands may use opulence to boast status, the Century uses refinement to command respect. It's not about being seen, it's about being revered. This is why emperors, business tycoons, and diplomats prefer the Century when traveling through Tokyo's quiet, organized streets. Toyota's decision to sell the Century in such limited numbers also adds to its mystique. It's not a vehicle for everyone, and it's certainly not for people chasing popularity. It's a reward for those who've already arrived. And with its price tag crossing $200,000, it's clear that Toyota didn't build this car to compete with the masses, they built it to sit on a throne all its own. Over the years, the Century has evolved carefully and respectfully. The latest version, sometimes referred to as the Century SUV or the next-gen Century, has extended its form into a luxury crossover, merging limousine comfort with SUV practicality. But the philosophy remains unchanged. Ultimate comfort, supreme quality, and absolute silence. Whether sedan or SUV, the Century will always be about one thing: Japanese excellence. In a world full of luxury vehicles competing for attention, the Toyota Century